Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making our very own weave weft or weave bundles from stretch braids. It didn't cost me more than £16 to get these hair bundles done, and guys, I lost a lot of my videos, but I managed to put together some for you how to make the bundles. So if you want to know how to do this, please stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. So with today's tutorial, we're going to be needing thread braid from Spectra. This comes about 6 packs, and we're going to be using, I think, about just 4 packs, right guys? And I've got some bundle taken out. It's about 25 inches. Yeah, so we're going to be making our wig weft. So what you will need as well is a normal thread or a woolen thread, pair of scissors, and your stand, your firm stand where you're gonna tie your thread, right? So I've already tied a thread on each of the stand. This an olden stand that is broken, and that is a new wig stand I got from Amazon. I'll be leaving a link just in case you need a wig stand. You can purchase on Amazon, right guys? But if you don't have any of these stands, you can use a chair or any firm hold that can hold your wig weft, right guys? So all we're going to be doing is to tie a knot on the length of our thread with a stretch braid. It is that simple, guys. So we're going to fill the entire thread with our hair extensions, and I'll take you quickly to the sewing machine where we're gonna stitch the edges of our weft. So please do enjoy the background music and stay tuned.